We've all heard that fresh drinking water is going to be more valuable than oil in the future. There already are countries with desalination plants and other water recycling systems in place to help conserve and produce potable water. However, none of it are on a scale that can sustain the entire global population indefinitely. The key to providing water to every household will be to give each family the information necessary to produce their own fresh water. In the past, this capability would have been unheard of. Even now, people might laugh at you if you said you were going to harness water from air. It seems so sci-fi that it can't possibly be true. But even so, one of the top-selling products online right now is about this topic. The Water Freedom System is currently a bestseller with thousands upon thousands of copies sold. And all it does is show people a way to set up a system that allows them to generate water from air by just using some inexpensive equipment and a few scientific principles. This product almost seems too good to be true, doesn't it? But the biggest question is, does the Water Freedom System work? Follow me to the next video and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. There's a lot of good things to say about Water Freedom System. First off, the product has helped over 11,000 people and is still as popular as it's ever been. This speaks highly to both the method and its effectiveness. The blueprints and instructions contained within Water Freedom System are easy to understand and follow. You don't need any expertise whatsoever to set it up. Even a beginner can manage this. But what about the cost of doing this? Well, we were expecting it to be costly, but the equipment cost to do this comes in at well under $300. That's very affordable for setting up a water generating system that works on autopilot. But is the water produced safe to drink? Yes, it is. The water produced from the system is clean, pure, and you can drink it. Still got more questions? Follow me to the next video where I've got more answers. So you might be asking, how much money can I expect to save using Water Freedom System? Well, once your system is up and running, your water bills will be slashed, allowing you to get back your initial investment and also save money on a monthly basis. This cost savings will help everyone who is on a tight budget and trying to save money. This will also give you safe drinking water at times when global circumstances reduce the availability of readily available drinking water. What else do I get with Water Freedom System? Besides the main guide, you're also given 4 helpful bonuses that most preppers will love. Ultimate Greenhouse Guide, Essential Guide to Bartering, Paranoid's Home Defense Guide, Black Survival Guide. Another benefit of Water Freedom System is that the product is a digital download. You have almost immediate access to it after payment. So you can buy it today and start reading and using it today. But what if I buy it and don't like it? Don't worry about this. Water Freedom System is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. You can buy with confidence today, test it out, and see if it works for you. If you're not satisfied, you can easily ask for a refund. Sound too good to be true? Follow me to the next video for some things you should know before you buy. Time for a Water Freedom System reality check, okay? No product is perfect for everybody. Just buying Water Freedom System will not guarantee you all the free water you want. You'll need to read and follow the instructions to the letter when building your system. Those who dislike reading and following step-by-step directions will not do well with this system. Also, despite the efficiency of the system, you should still store water supplies. These supplies will be quick and easy to access in times of need. The Water Freedom System works, but it requires time. So having water stored and available will be a good idea. There is an initial cost required to set this system up. Setting up the system will require about $270. And while the water generating system will save you money in the long run, if you're currently on a tight budget, it may take you a month or two to get the $270 necessary to start building your system. We're almost there. Follow me to the next video for some last words about Water Freedom System. All things considered, if creating your own water supply is your goal, then Water Freedom System is your solution. If you're a prepper or survivalist, buying this product today is a no-brainer. In fact, just about any homeowner will benefit from the information here if they build this device to produce fresh drinking water. Imagine the monthly savings on your water bill. This product will pay for itself many times over. For those prepping for survival situations, you'll already know just how much space is required to store water. In times of a flood, if you're storing water in your basement, all your supplies just might be washed out. If you know how to build the device, you'll always have access to fresh water. This is priceless information to have. Get it today and build your own freshwater generating system. Water Freedom System is ready to go. Are you? Look for more information about Water Freedom System in the description below this video or on this page. And click the button below to place your order and start using Water Freedom System today.